Mayor Baste, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Kamusta po kayo today, sir?
Okay lang.
Mayor Baste, meron po ba kayong opinion sa nangyari kay Mike at saka Defensor at saka kay Senator Rodante Marcoleta, sir?
Isa lang ang masasabi ko, mahirap talaga intindihin ang kilos ng gobyerno kung bakit may mga taong nakukulong ngayon. Kasi siyempre sila yung nasa kapangyarihan. Kung sino yung hindi sumunod sa kanila o ayaw sumunod sa kanila, paparusahan talaga nila yan. Para hindi na humaba yung usapan, it's because they're in power and those that oppose them, they will do everything using the bureaucracy or anything and the law against people, those who oppose them. So, wala tayong magagawa dyan. Meron ka talagang abusado na administrasyon.
Sir, on a different topic, doon sa currently nangyayaring day 3 na po ng impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte, your sister, do you have any thoughts or reaction in as far as the trial is going at the moment?
Ako hindi ako nanonood. Kasi nung simula pa lang, when did this impeachment campaign begin? It was, 3 years ago. Even nung simula pa lang ng termino ni Marcos yan, nung nagkalapuan na, andyan na yung usapang impeachment against the Vice President. For what? The confidential funds. And ngayon dinadagdagan nila na kung ano-ano na lang pwedeng idagdag, di ba? Well, gusto nila na may impeachment para masunod yung gusto nila. It's not about really, like the Vice President defending herself, but it's about putting her sa lugar kung saan nila gusto na nandyan siya. Kasi kaya nga nila ini-insist yung impeachment na yan kasi they want to remain in power. Gusto nila sila. That's all that I can say. Pag pumayag yung mga tao, wala na kami magawa.
Sir, ano po yung reaction ninyo doon sa bago-bago lang na natapos ng INC rally na nagpakita talaga ng suporta ang mga Pilipino na-extend pa siya for 3 days in as far as airing their concerns to what's happening to our country?
Balik ka doon yung pangutan namin. Okay.
Ano po yung reaction niyo, sir, doon sa
INC
rally?
Hindi ko alam. Wala akong, hindi naman ako involved nun. And hindi naman nakuha nila yung main objective nila. It was to deter the administration from taking Rodante Marcoleta. So I do not know.
Sir, marami,
I have no comment.
Sir, marami pong mga kababayan natin na nagsasabi na in the event, sana hindi po mangyari na ma-impeach nila si Vice President Duterte, there will be another Duterte that will be running for the presidency. What's your reaction to the clamor of the people that your names and also that of Congressman Pulong are surfacing?
We let tomorrow take care of itself. Pero yung mga ganon, sana wag. Kapoy kayo na. Hasol yun.
Sir, lastly, on a different matter, pinayagan po ng trial chamber na ang prosecution mag-go through sa mga possession ng papa mo upon his arrival here during his surrender. What's your reaction to that, sir?
Masaya na makita. May dala akong papa. Yung brief. Utang ina mo. Ano na sa nilaing makita. Diha.
Sir, just to conclude, do you have a message to the Filipinos?
Well, probably, balik lang tayo sa impeachment because that's the biggest issue now. Kung papayag kayo, wala bang problema sa amin. Tingin nyo, wala talaga silbi ang konstitusyon natin. Wala kaming magawa. In the first place, nandyan lang naman kami kasi binoto kami as elected representatives that will uphold the mismong constitution na pero tingnan natin kasi destiny talaga ng tao yan kung anong mangyayari sa kanya. Pero yung masasabi ko lang talaga, ginawa nila yung impeachment na the entire campaign for 3 years talaga nilang pinagsikapan ng administrasyon yan kasi gusto nila sila pa rin. Yan. They are preventing Vice President Inday Sara Duterte to run for the 2028 elections. Yan talaga ang main reason ng impeachment na yun.
Sir, on behalf of the Filipino community all over the world, we are steadfast in our support. Laban lang sir, nandito kami sa inyo. Duterte!
Duterte!